All right, level 4, here we go. We're going to go quick. We're going to use the same calculator strategy we did before, plus one extra step, which is actually going to be pretty cool. So remember, your steps are home, new document, don't save, add calculator, then you hit menu, statistics, stat calc, and then you're looking for mx plus b, the linear regression. Okay, so you should have all those already. If not, feel free to push pause. So if I'm going into example 1, it's the exact same example we used previously in level 3, but I'm going to show you a shortcut. So I'm still going to type this in using my x and my y's just like I did before. That's not the shortcut. All right, so here we go. New document, don't save, add a calculator, menu, stats, stat calc, mx plus b. All right, I still need braces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Braces, -1, 8, 17, 26. All right, this is where I want you to pause. We haven't looked at anything else on the screen before. We usually just hit OK. But now we're going to take a second and we're going to look right here. And it says save the regression equation to F1. That's important. That's the shortcut. Okay? So we are saving all the information that we're about to get in the place, and that place is named F1. Okay? So we go here. We hit OK. Yay, fabulous. So it's f of x equals our m value, which is 9, and our b value, which is -10. So all that is cool. That didn't change. The part that changed is here. Previously, we had you type a 100 into here, so you went 9, parentheses, 100, close parentheses, -10. But you don't actually have to do that. Remember that we saved all this information in F1. So I'm going to go find the F button. I'm going to hit F, and then I'm going to hit 1. And you notice it kind of changed itself and made it look fancy. I'm going to go back and show you that again. So F, you see how curly and pretty that is? F1. And then watch what happens. Dink. So it recognizes that F1 holds a value. So I'm going to put parentheses 100. Now you're asking, Miss, why'd you put a 1 there? That's not how it's written here, right? The difference is because the calculator saved it as F1. So the calculator only knows what the calculator knows. So I have to use the name the calculator created, which is F1. And then I'm going to zoom back out. Ready? When I hit enter, I get my 890. So for anybody who's like, I don't see why that's cool. So previously we did this. Same thing. But now I just don't have to type in all that stuff. I can just type F1. Let's say I wanted to know what happened at 20. What if I wanted to know what happened at 50? Right? And it's going to do that for me. So let's try it a few more times. We're only going to do it one more time, actually, right here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to start over because if not, then it gets a little bit complicated. Menu, stats, oops, stat calc, mx plus b. All right. Curly braces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Curly braces, 7, 4.5, 2, -0.5, or -0.5. All right, notice it's labeled as F1. That's what we're referring to when we type F1 later. We're saying, hey, remember that function you made? Let's actually use it. So my m is -2.5, my b is 9. So I have f of x equals negative 2.5x plus 9.5. Okay, I want to know what happens at 50. So because I remembered that it was saved at F1, I could type F1 of 50. And now it's using this function instead of the last function we made. Okay. So previously what you would have done instead was you would have taken negative 2.5 parentheses 50 plus 9.5. Ta-da, you get the same answer. Just one uses the calculator to do it and one of it uses you to do it. So there you go. There's your cheat. Have fun.